Welcome back, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking about equivalent fractions again. When we're practicing our equivalent fractions today, we're actually going to be practicing using shading as a strategy. Compare the two fractions below using the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. I have two fraction models already set up for me. My job is going to be to shade to represent the fraction first. The very first fraction I'm going to show is 1/2, which means I need one part out of my two equal sized pieces shaded in. So I'm going to shade one of these pieces in. This piece is 1/2. Now I have to represent 1/3, which means one part of my three equal sized pieces is shaded in. I'm going to shade in 1/3. When I look at these two fractions, I can tell that 1/2 takes up more of the fraction bar. I know this is a fair comparison because the fraction bars are the exact same size, so my comparison is going to be equal. Because 1/2 takes up more of the fraction bar, that means 1/2 is greater than 1/3, or 1/3 is less than 1/2. Now let's try it in this model. I'm going to compare 3/4 and 6/8 using greater than, less than, or the equal to sign. I'm going to start with 3/4. My numerator is 3, meaning I need 3 parts of my fraction shaded out of my 4 equal sized pieces. So I'm going to start by shading 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. There we go. Now I need to represent 6/8. That means 6 parts of my fraction model need to be shaded in out of my 8 equal sized pieces. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. When I look at these two models, I'm actually going to use another color to help see. I can tell that they take up the exact same amount of space, even though they look different. That means 3/4 is equal to 6/8, or 6/8 is equal to 3/4. Let's try one more model. Once again, I have two equal sized fraction bars, meaning the bar is the same size. Let's compare the fractions. I'm going to start by shading 4/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. I'm now going to represent 1/2 on the bar below it. One part shaded in out of two equal sized pieces, 1/2. What do you notice right away? Hopefully you see that 4/8 takes up the same amount of space as 1/2 inside this fraction model. That means 4/8 is equal to 1/2, or 1/2 is equal to 4/8.